Here's everything you need to know about changing the time on your Apple Watch based on the countries you're in, or just want to see the info about. So let me explain everything in this video. Let's get started. So the Apple Watch can automatically change the time based on your time zone. If you happen to be traveling to a different time zone, and if you have the automatic time set up and turned on your iPhone, then you don't really need to do much or worry about anything. The time will change on its own, usually even before landing if you're traveling by plane. So that's a great feature of the watch. However, if you, for whatever reason, just want to switch the time to a different time zone, you still can. In the settings of your iPhone, inside the general and then time, you can turn off the automatic time and choose a different time zone. This would technically work, it just wouldn't be very useful to see the wrong time on your wrist, so it might not be ideal. If you're, however, interested in seeing time of different places on Earth, I'd recommend you to set up the World Clock app on your Apple Watch. As you may know, there's a dedicated app for tracking the time around the world where you can add different locations and see them on your watch. This is probably much more useful than just setting the main time of the watch to a different country. Keep in mind that you can also change the complications on your Apple Watch face. The complications are these tiny widgets that are showing up on the screen, and you can customize them to a great degree and make sure that one of the things that pops up every time you look at the watch will be the time of your preferred location. So that's basically it. That's all I wanted to talk about in this video. If you found it helpful, don't hesitate with clicking the like button on this video, as it really does help the channel. Thank you for watching, and for more videos, click the subscribe button below.